As Murphy's Law goes, as I start filming this parking garage, you may ask why. But right now, the wind is stirring up and getting more fierce. And as a result, the wind going through this parking garage is creating a whistle sound.